Today, we will discuss Framer and ReadyMag with the help of visual interfaces. Both platforms enable users to produce web-based content while reducing or doing away with the necessity for conventional coding. This is a basic resemblance. Design is important to both Framer and ReadyMag. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Framer. Designing and developing interactive websites is a major focus of Framer. It is quite good at making dynamic web pages with intricate animations and features. It is also well known for being able to build entire websites. Strong focus on animations and interactive design. It has outstanding ability to prototype, adaptability for creating intricate online experiences. ReadyMag is made for distinctive, aesthetically pleasing web publications and presentations. It highlights layout control and artistic freedom, outstanding visual control and versatility in design, easy to use interface for making layouts that look beautiful, perfect for making presentations, portfolios, and online publications. All in all, both of these tools are designed for the production of digital content intended for online viewing. Both Framer and ReadyMag are essentially tools that let creators and designers develop graphically and post their work online.